So this is a video of the second video of the day, isn't everybody lucky, of me riding my bike down this hill basically. Mostly it's to get some of the footage of Loch Arkaig, which is you can see really well from the viewpoint we go to. But also to sell, like I said, I do come up here to sell the stuff, some of the footage, and I have sold quite a few clips now of me on my bike. And like I said, another video to Apple TV, Apple Productions, sorry, I should say. I don't know actually what that is, or what they use it for. Probably, in this case, below average mountain biking at very low speed coming down this hill. So anyway, this is the video, and hopefully it all comes out right, as my drone decided to do the same thing again. So you do get a nice view of Loch Arkaig. That's Loch Arkaig. I was going to say something else, but I can't think of anything to say. And this is not as steep as I remember actually. However, I am cheating on this e-bike, and I did do it on a regular bike. Although I remember I couldn't ride most of it. Well, I rode most of it. I couldn't ride what looks like the steep bit up there. So whether I can on this one or not, I'm not sure. So what you can't see is up there, there's loads of deer, loads of them actually. I only noticed because they're antlers, and they're quite, when they're at the top, but it's quite a lot of them actually. They're all staring at me, I think. This is quite strange actually, they're all just right above you there. Anyway, so this is going to be in probably two takes, because one, if it goes wrong and it doesn't follow me and it decides to land, I should be able to fly it back down, but I might have to come back up for it, which I don't want to do. And the second thing is I forgot to do some actual proper drone stuff down there as well, so I'm going to cut this in two halves, and hopefully it does it well. But like I said a minute ago, I don't really have any control over what happens here, so I'll see what happens. Came out just in time for that bit, like as if I planned that all. And there he is, just hovering above me now. So I'll do the second part, and I did unfortunately clear that little stream. I hit a stone and then almost fell off, so yeah, that won't go in the for sale clips. Anyway, I'll do the second part, and then I'll finish this one down at the bottom. massive problem. Where the hell's it gone? No, cancel, not pretend. Oh no. So it was gonna return to where I started. Battery level low. Oh shite. Where the hell am I? Why is it so? Right, this is what happens when these clips don't work. I can hear it. Oh, it's over there. Oh, thank God. So it's landing now. I knew I should turn my head round, but I noticed in the other videos that turning my head round looks a bit, it ruins the thing. And if this is for the Apple television, by the way, it's probably not. But it was awesome. So anyway, it's going to land. There it is, over there, and I've got 10%. So what happened there is it followed me pretty much all the way down. It obviously got bored, probably like the majority of everyone else watching these videos, and it just took off. But strangely, it looked exactly like I planned the whole thing, and it looks like the ending to like the scene or whatever. So anyway, I'll leave this one here, and yeah, hopefully this all comes out right.